In this video, we present 8 of the coolest gadgets you should have by the end of this year. These cool new gadgets and appliances make the future look bright. So if you think one of these is going to be awesome in your home or office, just click the link below for each one you'd like to buy. And I hope you guys enjoy the video and are eager to suggest some more cool future gadgets in the comments below.
An easy-to-use, all-in-one appliance that can prep, cook, and clean. Multo also comes with hundreds of smart recipes in the included Smart Kitchen Hub tablet, with more being added every week. These smart recipes offer a unique cooking experience to support various dietary needs, and it can help in improving cooking skills and transform one from a novice cook into a master chef.
Introducing the WOWCube entertainment system, the next generation of interactive handheld gaming, fidget toy, and digital device. Twist, tilt, tap, and shake up your gaming experience. With the WOWCube system, interact with the digital world in a whole new way. You can display everything on the Cube's 24 screens. Use it to display widgets, or your favorite apps at work, your calendar, or even social media apps. With the WOWCube system, you can create any content you like thanks to the open SDK, or switch to a smart lamp for a warm glow to wind down from your day. There's nothing else like the WOWCube entertainment system. Puzzles, mazes, word or fidget games, even arcade and adventure. Open up your digital universe and bring this smart cube to your life.
Introducing the REDLIRO 2-in-1 under-desk treadmill. Weighing just shy of 60 pounds and with rolling transport wheels, the treadmill is easy to move around in the house. Featuring a safe key button, a phone bracket, and an LED screen for safety and convenience. Slide it under your desk and continue working on your laptop while walking on the REDLIRO below. The remote control comes in very handy here. This portable folding treadmill is easy to tuck away under a sofa or a bed, or even behind the door, and is ideal for any living area. Thanks to its versatility, this 2-in-1 under-desk treadmill makes it easier than ever to stay active at home.